What if I told you there's a natural remedy so potent it could boost your immune system by 200% and banish coughs caused by viruses and bacteria? This is the strongest natural antibiotic that exists, and today I'll show you the correct way to prepare it. First, finely chop 1 red onion. Red onion contains quercetin, a powerful compound known to naturally combat the flu, coughs, tonsillitis, asthma, and allergies. Next, mince 4 cloves of garlic. When garlic is cut, it releases allicin, a sulfurous compound with incredible antimicrobial and antiviral properties, significantly strengthening your immune system. Place these chopped ingredients into a lidded container, then add approximately 12 tablespoons of honey. Honey is highly effective at reducing inflammation in your respiratory passages and offering rapid cough relief. Stir the mixture gently for a couple of minutes to ensure the ingredients release their properties. Then cover it and allow it to macerate overnight for at least 6 hours. The following morning, simply strain the mixture. How do you take it? Adults should take 1 tablespoon and children 1 teaspoon, preferably before bed. You'll notice significant relief from the very first spoonful. You can safely store this amazing mixture in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Try this powerful remedy, then save this video for later, and follow for more natural health tips.